My video guide will help you to remove the online scam that comes from the random website, maintenance system, and then some other random symbols.ml. This particular website is random. Today or even tomorrow it may be changed by some other deceptive and shady website that may display similar scary messages. The message says that your Windows has been blocked for suspicious activities, because of suspicious activities. It also claims to be the message from Windows Defender, and it also claims that it is somehow related to Windows technical support, and this telephone number +32 460 22 20 56. In reality, these are fake alerts. They are not related to Windows Defender, they are not related to Windows Firewall, and they are not related to Windows technical support. In fact, there are certain online criminals who stand behind these pop-ups, and they try to make you call this fake Windows support number. If you call it, you will hear some online frauds who will tell you that your system is horribly infected and that you need to subscribe to some paid security plans, or that you might need to allow these criminals to get connected to your computer remotely and supposedly to fix it. But in reality, these online criminals simply hunt for your money, and they might try to force you into downloading some shady applications presented as some security programs, which are not real security programs. So please be very careful. Do not interact with these fake alerts, and do not install anything that they suggest. And of course, do not call this fake Windows support number. If you see these pop-ups, it is quite likely that your system is messed up by certain adware. We recommend you to check the control panel of your computer and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious. If you don't find anything suspicious but still your browser acts in a very unusual manner, I recommend you to investigate your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, and you may get it on this official site combocleaner.com. Download the program, install it, and then start researching your system to detect and delete other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.